The Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai has today warned of dire consequences for one Right Honorable Raila Amollo Odinga if he is sworn in by the NASA coalition as president on the 12th of December. The AG terms this move as unconstitutional and one that could attract the penalties of treason. He further indicated that the people's assemblies around the country are illegal and that members of specific county assemblies that passed this motion could be surcharged for misappropriation of public funds.
A swearing in of any person not lawfully declared to have won an election by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, and a swearing in that is not conducted by the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya is a process wholly unanticipated by the Constitution and is null and void and illegal ab initio. I hope I have made that absolutely clear. Further, and in addition, the criminal law of the Republic of Kenya in Article 40 of the Penal Code provides or stipulates that that sort of process is high treason. It is high treason in respect of the person so involved and any other person facilitating that process. The so-called people's assemblies are institutions totally unknown to the Constitution of Kenya and totally unknown to the County Governments Act. They have purportedly been established in violation of the Constitution and the law. Parliament has not delegated any power of that nature. The county governments have no power to create institutions of that nature. What is the consequence, therefore? The consequence is that these institutions are unconstitutional, they are illegal, they are null and void. The persons involved in their creation are involved in extra-constitutional activity and may be visited by the full force of the law. Article 1 of the Constitution. The people may exercise their sovereign power either directly or through their democratically elected representatives. That is so self-evident. The people exercise their power directly when they go and vote. When they decide who will be the president of Kenya, it is a direct exercise of power. They don't send somebody to vote for them. That's why we don't have an electoral college like they have in America, where members of the electoral college can vote for you and determine your president. The people exercise power directly when they have a referendum. And in the referendum, they say it is proposed A or B, and the people say directly, not through any other intermediary. So the directness of the exercise of people's power is within the Constitution itself. It is not in order to overthrow the Constitution in any manner. And any person involved in the use of money legitimately voted by the National Assembly to do legitimate work in the counties and is now being used for this illegitimate purpose means that these monies can be surcharged to those persons who have been involved in that process. Not to mention that the government retains the right to review county expenditure where the counties have misappropriated. And this, there can be no other word to describe it, is a misappropriation of legitimate monies that should be serving the wananchis of those counties. Finally, what is the punishment for high treason? It is death.